How to fix search and indexing problem in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with searching and indexing in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the Start menu, right click on it, and from the menu go to Task Manager. After that, the window of Task Manager will open. Once the window opens, it will open with all the processes that is running in our device. From all this process, you simply need to search for service host local system. So simply type yes and then you will see service host local system. Right click on it and choose the option of end task. After that, the next step is to go to settings of your device. So go to Start menu and there you will see the option of setting application. Simply double click on it and it will direct you to the page of your device setting. From here, you simply need to go to privacy and security from left hand side menu and then search below. You will be able to see the option of searching Windows. Simply click on it and there you need to make sure that this feature is turned off. After that, under Find My Files, you simply need to choose the category of Enhanced and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with searching and enhancing on Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.